The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. So you guys see the pillow in the car, you guys know what time it is. Yeah, it's gonna be another van camping situation. Speaking of pillow, I feel super tired just being here. Yeah, you watch the videos and all that stuff, but sometimes I get here, I just want to sleep. The rain seems like it's about to fall. I mean, you get the idea. Anyway, so the objective for today's video is Ali is here with me. You know the story from Bikini Bottoms. And in the video that we did with her when we did the seafood boil, she made an interesting statement about coconut. So she was walking the coconut, and then she mentioned that if she was to ever use a coconut in a dish, she would make some rice and peas. So in a nutshell, that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. We're going to be making a typical Jamaican Sunday dinner for the most part. There are different variations, but this one is going to be fried chicken, of course, and the rice and peas. If you're not from Jamaica, you might not know what rice and peas is. In some countries, they call it rice and beans, but this is not the same. This is very, very flavorful. Being in Ghana, I heard people talk about wache. This, to me, is even more flavorful than that. So rice and peas basically is just rice cooked up with some pressured peas. Now the peas is pressured, you know, with garlic, scallion, thyme, pepper, pimento. So it's super flavorful. The salts in the water, all that things, you know, it goes up into the peas. It makes it so delicious. Then when you are going to be cooking the rice, you're actually going to throw the peas in there with some coconut milk. So if you can vision those flavors, the milkiness, the slight sweetness of the coconut milk, plus the peas, the savory, bruh, amazing. So Ali's gonna be helping with that, and you guys have seen me do fried chicken several times. So that's basically the vibe for today's video. And yeah, we're gonna definitely take a swim and ting. Oh, I want to show you guys something really quick in the van. In the last video I spoke about a couple stuff. I'm gonna show you this. So basically the setup is the same relatively, but I recently added this to the setup, which is just super amazing. Even though you have the bags, it's good when you have some level of separation. So this is gonna add some from my height, because it's just wasted space. I have like toiletries, like my towel, underwear, sleepwear, things that I know I'm gonna use very soon. But I hate having to go inside of a bag. So that's basically it. And yeah, so that's it. Sleeping in the van again tonight. It is one of the better experiences. I think I prefer it to a tent, because I just have everything close by. Like, I got my fridge and all that. And for the curious people who want to see what's in the fridge, yeah, you want to know, like, you know, how we make these videos possible. So tomorrow morning, you might not see me do breakfast, but I'm gonna have some cereal, the cabbage for the coleslaw, have a couple sodas in there. And yeah, this has been like super cool way to store time. Just have some water, put the time in there, put it in the fridge in a jar, keeps it really well. I love chocolate milk. There's that. We have some peas, some rice and peas is in there. Yeah. Now I know as Jamaican people, like, we tend to put people to rest earlier than the time when something doesn't come out exactly as they would think it would. So the rice and peas, I know sometimes when you actually freeze it overnight, you can have a miss in the coloration of the rice, because usually when you do it fresh, that red water is what actually makes the rice look red. So normally if you freeze it and you portion it, and if you don't, you know, match that back up to the amount of water, then it's going to look a little bit whitish. So hopefully I don't miss on that today. So that's something that I'm kind of focusing on with the portion size to make sure that works out. Anyway, hopefully it doesn't rain. Ali and I are going to go for a quick little swim. I'm going to also do a video which I've been posting after this one, where you guys can see her experience and, you know, what does she feel just being out here, you know, in a place like this. If you guys want to see me do like a whole catch and cook, I have a video before where we did a crayfish fried rice. Let me tell you, that food, it turned up, like, it turned right up. So if you guys want to check that out, do check it out. But I'm not going to be doing any fishing here today. You know, give them some time for actually, you know, live them life and just, you know, stay under the water. Anyway, let's go for a swim. So I'm gonna come right here and just free fall.
Huh?
I'm a free fall to say I can see how deep it is.
Okay. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's like it's kind of cool in a little way.
Cool. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm so nervous for some reason. I'm super nervous.
Alright, you see, the scariest thing in a river is current. Where I went, no current
Right
really.
here, yeah.
Exactly. And we already know down that side, there's a rope thing that we hold on to.
Yeah.
So worst case scenario,
I flow in.
you can hold on to that rope thing.
Okay.
So we're good.
Oh god.
You just tear off the head.
Yeah. That's alright.
Yeah, get out the brain part one way, bam, and the intestine line and stuff. Quick and fast. Great, that's that.
Like how I said, I'm gonna plan to drive back tomorrow and I'm come early.
You dry it again?
Yeah. Sometimes you just sit here after I'm drying, I'm morning and drive up here. Sometimes I'm drying, I even know what I'm doing.
The cooking, the de-heading technique, the wicked still. Rate it.
Boy, I don't know them different things.
Alright guys, that was a super cool little swim about. I think the highlight for me just now is just meeting that guy and seeing how to, a quicker process or a different way to actually do the crayfish. I think that method would be really nice if you're going to do like a crayfish soup. I mean, depending on who you're cooking for. Some persons, when they see the head of any type of food, it kind of freaks them out. So yeah. It's always good on this journey of life, just meeting different people, especially people that can share something new with you. The swim boat was also good as well. Talking to Ali, just holding a vibe and whatever, it's cool. How do I feel? I feel refreshed, relaxed, a little bit cold. So not much of a motive right now. We had gotten some KFC earlier, some 3-piece of Ali. I had a zinger and a 1-piece. I still have 1 piece of chicken left back, so I'm gonna warm up a little bit, probably have the KFC, and then yeah, shower tonight of course, and then we'll take on the morrows. So yeah, let's see what happens. Maybe I'll come back to you guys tonight. We'll see. Alright guys, so let's talk about last night. Last night was quite interesting to say the least. So whenever you're camping out here, you have little things to think about. For example, frogs. Yeah, before we get into that, yeah, I just had a bowl of cereal. Yeah, in the morning is just quick and easy. I'll probably make Ali some if she's hungry at the moment, but anyhow, yeah, so they're frogs. So in the morning, well, in the night, sorry, you know, the frogs come out, and I'm gonna be real with you, I do not like frogs, bruh. If you like frogs, big up to you. I hate them. Not in a bad way, but just, you know, they're kind of weird. Anyway, so, you know, I'm tucked in the van. Ali's in the tent. She's on some TikTok type of thing. And oh yeah, guys, follow me on TikTok. We're gonna be working on some really nice short format content. You know, just cooking and vibing with you guys. But to say the least, yeah, my stomach started to kill me, bro. Yo, so long story short, we had to like, yeah, drive up there really quick, and that's one of the things sometimes when you're just camping out in your van, like, you know, you don't have the luxury of, you know, a bathroom close by. Plus it rained last night as well, so that was something else. However, Ali had a amazing sleep, thankfully. I could tell, because usually, you know, when you're out in a place like this, you might get, how can I say, a little bit skittish, and you wake up early because you just want to be out of here. But she, you know, was cozied up in there, so that's really good. So anyhow, I am now just packing back up van, and what I love about this setup that I'm using here is that it is super practical. Sometimes with these things, if you buy every single thing that's on the internet, you will end up either broke or with a bunch of stuff. So over the years, I've gotten so much better at just selecting stuff, you know, practical stuff, because like this, I could use this at the gym if I'm not out camping. So one item ends up serving more than one function. That's cool. And speaking of about one item serving more than one function, I cannot say enough, grab yourself a coldest bottle. Grab yourself a coldest bottle. I'll have the link in the description box so you guys can get a huge discount. And as always, every bottle that you guys buy, I do get a small kickback, and I can make more content. Now this one here, you guys can see, very minimalistic design. Really appreciate this one. I didn't do an unboxing or anything like that because I have so many bottles and whatever, but just to tell you, this one comes with 3 different caps. This one is my favorite one. It has the security latch just in case you're not ready to drink, but it still will stay locked. Without that, press a button, it flies open. Really like this one. It has the conventional sports straw one, so if you're into that, then you can definitely get that. And it has a wide tipped one, so that's what I like about it. You basically get 3 different bottles with just having one. I think it's, I wouldn't say this is very travel size, but it's travel size enough. But at the same time, it's big enough if you're a gym junkie and you want to bring this big old 1 gallon thing. It's not a gallon, but it's close enough, so you get a lot of hydration with it. And like I said, yeah, this one has been the one that I've been using quite often, and I have probably like 6 other bottles. I just like it, very sleek. Anyway, we didn't shower last night, yo. We did not shower last night, and that is because of the influence of Alyssa. Yeah, like literally in the evening, Alyssa was already in her beddies. I was just like, yo, Chano, should I go bed? So I was like, all right, cool, screw it. I'm not gonna take a shower either. Plus, we swam in the river, so that's enough showering, I guess. So I'm going to go take a dip right now. Get the van packed out a little bit more, and then have everything prepared so we can do some cooking. Yo, I trust these bottles so much. Like, I didn't put any ice in there whatsoever yesterday. I just felt lazy. I never felt like doing it. But anything that you put in there cold, like this here from the fridge, it is it's icy because the fridge kind of froze it up. Throw this water in there, and I'm gonna be certain that even by the end of today, like, the temperature of this water might just drop probably a few degrees, but nothing that you're gonna notice. Amazing. So the fridge that I have is pretty good. I actually put these in here frozen, and they were still frozen this morning, but I guess they're thawing out. So yeah, we should be good for cooking.
Hi guys, welcome to Stuck on an Island. Yes, yes, yes.
So in that video, you mentioned, you know, because you love coconut, and you say you can use it to make coconut milk, fried rice and peas. So you go help me with that today.
Yes,
Is
correct.
that good?
Yes, we're gonna crack a coconut, look inside, eat her, and put
Okay then. Alright, so little tip and trick.
Okay.
Regular homes in Jamaica, we just straight on the ground and break it or get a hammer.
Or get a hammer and knock
and
it.
whatever.
Right.
But what you're going to try to do is just keep knocking it in center, go around. That usually gives you like a uniform crack. You want to try?
Sure.
Go for
So
it.
you just.
So you just keep knocking it, but you just keep spinning it around.
Oh, okay.
Harder. Oh my god.
Hold on. Is it supposed to be cracking?
Should have started already.
No man, it not cracking.
Alright, I'm gonna help you.
Yeah. First of all, you have the strength of a man.
It's not a competition. We just
So I couldn't do that. If you gave me an hammer, I would have squashed it long time.
drink some, man.
Yeah, wash off my art.
So the reason is just to it just loosens it up. That's it.
Help to
Take it out, yeah. So it's not that hard for the feed on. Remember that Charlie kind of precarious with the knife?
Oh God.
See it does fly off easy.
Yeah.
It's hot. Look.
I'm gonna try that out one.
Send help, God, please.
I am coming to you. In my way.
I did, but I never got it.
Thank you. Thank you. As a male, that's your job.
Hold it.
Oh God.
Himalayan salt. Alright, both of us are not gravy eaters, so if you don't see gravy, yeah, the fried chicken, I don't mess with it.
Beautiful. Thank
But
you.
I'm gonna share my food now, but you see, the rice is nice and shelly. And the toast slap. Alright, Miss Chicken slap too. Let me see over there quiet, man. I say, yeah? Slap. Bruh. So good. What's that?
True.
Sure.
You go down in the kitchen.
We go down in the kitchen. Vibes, respect.
No gravy needed.
No gravy needed. Yeah, I'm telling people sometimes you have to fling gravy on food to give it flavor. But if it have flavor already,
Right, you don't need it.
you don't really need it. I think fried chicken a crunchiness more I feel. I don't feel no wet.
What's all the wetness for?
Crispy.
Oh God. Oh God.
Alright guys, so rain is about to fall, or it's overcast. The place, I mean, it's like 5 o'clock right now, so we need to head out of here really quick. But guys, thank you so much for vibing with us. It was really cool, and I'll catch you guys on the next adventure. Remember these three things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember to keep link.